How to connect Bingo Blitz to Facebook. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to connect your Facebook account on it, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find your Facebook icon just right here. Now simply tap on it. Now simply tap on it and simply tap on to connect. And if you don't get the Facebook icon, you can simply tap on the three lines right here at the top and scroll down and tap on to connect and log out. Then here you can find the Facebook option right here. Now simply tap on it and tap on to continue. Keep on tapping on to continue until it connects with the Facebook. And now you can see your Facebook account has been connected. And that's it. This is how you can connect Bingo Blitz to Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.